Here's a 2019 Honda Odyssey. Its biggest concern is the same as yours, your family. That's why the Odyssey is the champion of meeting your family's needs. It comes with all the amenities you need: Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, front heated leather bucket seats, Bluetooth streaming audio, auto-dimming rearview mirror, active noise cancellation, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, V6 engine, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, and automatic transmission. Kelley Blue Book states in everyday driving, the Odyssey's suspension absorbs bumps and road imperfections for a very comfortable ride, yet the settings are not so soft as to induce unwanted body roll in the turns. Honda has a world-renowned reputation for reliability. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.